Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to clear chat in WhatsApp. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The very first step is to open the WhatsApp application on your device. Then go over to your messages section. Now let's open a chat which we want to clear. When you get here, you want to tap on your contact's name or the phone number at the very top of your screen, and that will open the contact info page. Just scroll down to the very bottom. Then you'll see these options. You want to click on Clear Chat, which should be right under the Export Chat button. The chat is now deleted. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.